Codeforces round 76 div 2D. This is the problem statement. We have been given m heroes, each with a power I and endurance S, and we have been given n monsters. Each monster has a power of its own. There are two cases whenever there is a fight. These are the two cases. So, moving on to the logic. This is given in the question again: m heroes, n monsters. Each hero is characterized by PISI, power endurance. Monster is characterized by A, power. Whenever the power of the current monster is greater than uh, the power of the hero selected, then the hero has to retreat for the day, and the next day the process continues. Else the hero kills the monster. Also, SI is the maximum number of monsters a hero can fight in a single day. SI is given by its SI is its endurance. Now, take this example. These are the monsters. These are the heroes. An observation is we in this problem we seek to kill as many monsters as possible in a single day because it is beneficial for us to reach the maximum level in the array of monsters possible. So define Fe as the maximum strength of heroes with endurance greater than equal to I. Now how do we calculate Fe? We calculate Fe by storing a suffix maximum array. That is, for first of all sort the heroes according to their endurance. Uh, Once we've sorted heroes according to their endurance, traverse the array, sort in increasing order of endurance, and then once that is done, traverse the array in reverse direction and store the maximum strength encountered till now. So and store it in Fe. So Fe would basically give us the maximum strength of heroes with endurance greater than equal to E. We can answer this query in order of one once we have pre-calculated the array of F, the array Fe, the array of F. Sorry. So once we have this calculated, what we'll do in the answer is we'll uh, for a given index I, we'll binary search for index j. Idea is to binary search on for a given index I, we'll binary search on the index j such that where I is the current index in the monster array and j is the maximum monster level we can reach in the current day, such that uh, there exists a hero with endurance j minus I plus 1 and who has a power greater than the power of all the monsters in the range I to j. Now, the function in the binary search in binary searches we'll call it func, where func j returns is the index j valid, that is the range I to j basically valid, and the logic for this is the maximum strength of monsters between in this range I to j is the maximum strength less than or equal to f of I j minus I plus 1, where f is the endurance array we made. Now it is easy to see why this works. We'll answer these queries, range maximum queries, with the help of a segment tree. Moving on to the code. This is the code. uh, these are the heroes, these are the monsters, this is the F array we talked about. Endurance is basically nothing but we are converting the array of heroes, their endurance. It is the endo is the endurance values of the array of heroes after sorting. So after sorting, it's just the first element of heroes where HSI is given by its endurance, comma strength. Okay. So once this is done, we generate the FRA. We store the segment tree to answer. We build the segment tree, and then we for a given I, we choose the maximum possible j, set I to be j plus 1, and continue this process. BS is binary search. The way we binary search is straightforward, as we discussed in the explanation. Yeah, this is it.